So let's now speak to an eyewitness or someone at least who heard what happened and is near the scene. Chris Matherson joins us now. Thank you for talking to us. What can you tell us?
Good morning. It was just after 8 o'clock. There was the sound of the helicopter as I was leaving home near Vauxhall, where there was fairly low misty cloud and very flat. There was suddenly a very unusual buzzing sound, a very dull thud, and then silence. It was the silence really that caught my imagination the most and made me worry that there was a real problem.
And what did you do then, and what did you see, Chris?
Well, my walk to work took me past where the helicopter has come down. The emergency services seemed to be on the scene very quickly, but there was a very serious fire in the middle of Wandsworth Road, where the helicopter had come down, and there seemed to be several cars in the road that had also been affected. But the fire brigade were in attendance very quickly, and we can only hope that their efforts are fruitful.
And there have been reports from other eyewitnesses that the crane that was on the top of the development appears now to be dangling down the side of the building. Is that something you saw?
Yeah, there was some damage to the crane. The top of the building is still in mist now, and so it's very difficult to see what's happened. But there's a possibility that part of the crane is also lying across 9 Elms Lane near Vauxhall, where all the workers, of course, in that building, it's a construction site, have been cleared out. But it's very difficult to tell what's happening at the top of that building, because even now, as I speak, and I'm looking at it, it's still shrouded in fog.
And can you see building workers who've been evacuated? Are they near you at present?
No, I'm a little bit further away now, but they were all being taken out of that building and the nearby buildings at the time and in the immediate aftermath of the collision.